Welcome back to Ulla. Since we last met, there hasn't been a great deal of progress. Things are moving much slower than we would have preferred. The County Council are looking very closely at their budgets, and this is going to determine whether the library and the Tourist Information Centre actually move in. The current issues facing the Trust are certainly around finance. We've got to recognise that their grant funding is not going to be available in the future, so we've got to maximise the income from our assets, and then the place will be used more and it'll become more viable.
The Cheviot Centre and the Glendale Gateway Trust have had a significant effect on improving the local environment for residents and visitors alike. Our plans for the centre will mean that we can significantly improve the offer of services. The intention is to relocate the library service into the Cheviot Centre. That will create a community hub of IT facilities, library facilities, making everything really accessible and convenient for local residents.
I've been using the Cheviot Centre over the last 10 years for a range of different services. What I would like to see at the centre that we don't currently have are better projection facilities, as it's really quite difficult to do a good presentation, and we do need a facility for larger meetings. Currently the maximum we can cater for in a room is 40 to 50 people.
Well, the future is quite interesting. At the moment, the local authority are looking at service provision. We have the library, which is currently in its own building and on the other side of town. We feel, and the county are starting to feel as well, that the opportunity to cut costs would be to move that library into this centre. We're also looking at the potential of moving the Tourist Information Centre into another part of the building and to see how we could get more footfall into that space.
The Community Builders programme is ideal for a project like this. It's all to do with multi-function community space, which is exactly what the Cheviot Centre is. It's a pot of money which is government-based, so it's an ideal fund really to look to make this kind of alterations we're looking for. And it's there to support community organisations to improve their income and reduce their grant dependency, which is exactly what we need to see us through the following years.